Hey guys, back with a brand new video.
We are back! We are back!
It's been a bit longer than I expected. It's been a few months, I think. So I've been in the car for a few months and thought I might make a video every week or so, but it's been a bit longer. I had to get this Nikon camera fixed that I'm shooting on now, just because the sensor was broken. Today we're going to touch on a few things that you should get done to your car as soon as you own it. Not because you need to, just to make it look good. The two that we'll touch on today that I'll actually install, very easy, take literally 2 minutes to install, and that is from N Garage. I'll put down the link of the two products. It's just the stainless steel N Garage badge for the side skirt and the stainless steel footrest plate. And I'll show you how to install it, very easy. Basically, we're just going to flash prep it. I'll show you what I'm using. You can use any alcohol like substance wipe as well, just to make sure that the surface is clean before you put it on and make sure it lasts as long as possible and doesn't come off. And I'll also show you guys that I got the car ceramic coated. I'll show you how much better the paint looks now. It came so bad from factory if you watched my last video. Now it looks back to normal, but it took about the guy 10 to 15 hours. Like, he was my friend and he did a good job and he took his time. But now the car looks amazing, and I have to say, ceramic coating is probably one of the first things that you should get done when you do your car. It has saved me so much time cleaning every week, instead of having to clean every day, because black gets so dirty. If you have a black car, or this car exactly in Phantom Black, you'll understand. It doesn't get that dirty, and even if it does, I can just hose it down and literally the dirt just comes off. It just like literally drips off.
What did he say?
Yeah, and just makes my life a lot easier. So I got the brake pads ceramic coated, the wheel ceramic coated, all the paint and plastic ceramic coated. So yeah, it just makes it, if you're very busy, I find myself quite busy with work, it just makes it a lot easier. So saying that, let's get into the video. Let's show you what the car's looking like, nice, fresh and clean, and also the window tint that I got done. Window tint, darkest window tint you can get on the front, just so it doesn't look like a fishbowl in the front. Let's get into it. Let's show you how nice and squeaky clean this car is. I'm on my gimbal, not sure if you can see me in the shadow. Hello, so it's a bit more smooth this time and it's not as clunky, and we're also doing autofocus and ISO, not manual, so it doesn't quality looks a bit better this time. But guys, as you can see, the car is how I would have expected it to look from factory. It is so shiny. It's amazing. I'm so much happier about the car. I can sleep at night now. I'm sure a few guys can relate to that. But I'll just do a quick little walk through the car. Walk around to the car, sorry. And you can see that the car's front windows are now tinted. Highly recommend this if you haven't done it already. The car comes with privacy glass in the back, but nothing at the front. If you see my last video, you'd see that there was no tint at the front. I now have tint on the front windows. The darkest legal tint here in Victoria, in Australia I believe. I think it's all the same, but it is a lot better. You can still see inside obviously, but it's a good quality tint. It has a lifetime warranty, and it was only about 100 a window, so that was definitely worthwhile for one of the first things to do when you first get the vehicle, and as well as ceramic coat. Even though it is a bit pricey, I think it's definitely worth it. So basically we've got the stainless steel end plate, looks like this. I think it looks really good, better than the black plastic that comes with the car originally. And you get the end plate, the end badge for the side skirt, that's also in stainless steel. And we also got a free air freshener. You kind of got like this little end performance badge, I don't know, piece of paper that kind of looks cool, and you get the alcohol wipes, which I didn't actually know came in there, but we got the Bowden's flash prep instead. Alright, so let's get this done. Really simple. All I'm gonna do is first take these out of the packet. I haven't done this yet actually. I've had I have like so many parts just sitting at home ready to install. I just haven't got around to it yet. Plus I want to kind of enjoy the car as is. So here's kind of the stickers. They're kind of stuck front to back. Awesome. So the sticky stays on. And here we got our flash prep. It was like 15 bucks from Super Cheap Auto. Shake that up a little bit. I've already used it to get some of the I guess like when they were ceramic coating, there was like little white marks just from where it hit the plastic, and this got this off perfect. Okay, now that surface is prepped and cleaned, I'm going to go ahead and stick on the first badge, and fingers crossed it all goes to plan. I can't see how it wouldn't, but let's see. Easy. So this is the front. Looks really, really good. This is the back. I'm going to try and put it on as quick as possible, make sure it doesn't get dirty. Sorry if you can't see my head, I tried the best I could. Let's line it up with the grooves. Kind of fits. Oh no, it fits perfect. Push this on as hard as we can. I actually really like that. It looks very OEM, to be honest. It looks like it's supposed to be there. If the N wasn't as budget, even though it is an expensive car, but if it wasn't as a budget, I think it would have definitely came with these badgings on the side. First one done. Alright, side 2, let's do it. So, I've already flash prepped and wiped this one down. Now we just have to take this off, got the sticky, and we just make sure it's the right way around first and prop this one on. Make sure it fits in. The last one I nailed, did really well. Oh, that one's even better. Lovely. Now we just push it down as hard as we can. Hold it down with some pressure for a little bit. What do you guys think? Do you think this looks good, or is it even worth it? I think for $45 or whatever it was, can't really complain, and I kind of like having N logos everywhere. Alright, now we're up to the foot plate. Hopefully by the end it'll look very similar to the accelerator pedal and the brake pedal. We'll follow the same process. Hello camera, I'm here. We'll follow the same process and just flash prep it, wipe it down, make sure the surface area is clean, and then just stick it down, hold it down with some pressure, and then we should be all good to go. I'll show you the finished result. Alright, let's have a look at the footrest pedal. I think that looks so much better. Yeah, it actually looks like it's supposed to be there. That's a win, and I've just checked. It's really sticky, and that should stay on. Alright, I am absolutely stoked with that. That concludes our second video. I have to say, absolutely really happy with it. The foot plate looks really good. Looks like it's supposed to be there. Looks very OEM, and also the badge fits and sticks perfectly. That's an absolute win for N Garage. Thank you very much, and you'll see me in the next video. Catch ya.